Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. I have the next VR headset here, and in this video I will show you the first impressions and the unboxing of the HTC VIVE Focus 3. And this is a standalone VR headset, so you will not need a PC or not a console. It just works standalone. And yeah, we will check out what's inside the package. Very important, write in the comments below what you want to see in the review that is coming in a few days. So then I can put everything in review what you want me to show you. So I bought this headset for myself. It was 1,400 euro. Holy shit. I really hope it's worth it. We will see. And yeah, I'm looking forward to that. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors, VoodooDE VR, Opperman Events, Peter Wasmeyer, Virtual Escape and Slim Beats. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, let's check it out. So it's always awesome to unbox a new VR headset. I think I made it like 100 times, but I still totally love it. So this is the VIVE Focus 3. Look at this. Looks pretty cool. The package here, it says here VIVE Focus 3. On the back there's also a picture here. And here it says what's inside the box. The VIVE Focus 3, a C adapter, 2 controllers, a splitter cable for charging only, and a battery. So let's check it out. I mean, I already unboxed that on my German channel, so I know what's inside here. So here we go. Here we go. Look at this. So first is we have here a small package that's glued onto the box. And it has the quick start guide here and the safety and regulatory guide if you want to check it out. And then here is a link where you can check out the setup that I will show you in the review as well, of course. Then we have a small box here. And there's the power adapter. And this is the splitter, USB splitter cable. They say it's only for charging. And then a cleaning cloth here. And we have the power adapter here. So that's interesting. So the next thing, the controllers, left and right. So here we go. Check them out. They look like the Oculus Touch controllers for Quest 1. And they are a little bit bigger, so the stick here is longer as it seems. It's very light. So I don't know why, but everything that's light feels like a little bit cheaper, but it's not. It's a good quality. And you can push the buttons here, the A, B, X, Y, and then we have the setup button here, menu button. Also, we have the thumbsticks here, trigger, grip buttons, and it looks pretty cool. Really good. They are good in my hand, they feel good. And yeah, then that's it. For the controllers, oh, there's no battery. It's a integrated battery, so we can charge them with a splitter USB-C cable. Here's another box before I show you the VR headset. And there is the battery for the VR headset. Look at this. That's the battery here for the VR headset. It has a button. I will show you where you can put that inside. And here we have the headset. And I can tell you, wow, this is absolutely light. It just feels like nothing. It's so crazy. Just overwhelming. So yeah, we have the head strap here. Here we have the sound slots here, and there are a lot of slots here. Look at this. Then here we can remove the bag, the head strap for bag, and then we can put the battery here, and that's cool. Everything is with a magnet here. Look at this. It's closed. Here we can remove the integrated battery, And then here we have this wheel where we can, of course, control the size of the head strap. Absolutely cool. Yeah, then here we have the button, the start button, I think, for the menu or whatever. Then here's another, I think this is volume, but I will check it out in the review. And here's the IPD slider. I will show you the lenses as well. Look at this. And as you can see, when you checked out my review of the VIVE Pro 2, these are exactly the same lenses. So this will have the same disadvantages, unfortunately. And that's bad, of course. But we will see. I will do a review. So on this side, and then on the other side we have on the right side we have the USB-C and audio jack here. A microphone is here, and I wonder if it's really as bad as the VIVE Pro 2 microphone. We will see. The front looks, yeah, you will see the fingerprints here. Cameras 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a slot for cooling, and here is also, it's a magnetic case here. There is a USB-C connector. Perhaps to charge? I don't know. No, I think you will charge it here. Yeah, it's so fine. You can remove this part here as well. And then you will see there is a slot for a micro SD card. Crazy. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is the VIVE Pro 2. The VIVE Focus 3, of course. And when I put it on my head now, I can tell you this thing is so light. It's awesome. I know the battery will add another weight, but this is very, very comfortable. I can already tell you. It's a very light standalone headset and it feels good on my face. I think I can play hours with that. It feels really, really good. But we have to notice it has the same lenses and the same display than the VIVE Pro 2. And this is not so good because we know that the VIVE Pro 2 has problems with the field of view and also with the sweet spot. And that's bad, but I will check it out in the review. So guys, give me some days for my review. I will check out the headset and then I can tell you what can we do with that. Very interesting will be how can we connect it to the PC or not? I don't know. We will see. And if you did try it already, when you know how to connect it to PC, just write it in the comments. And if you have more questions for the review, what do you want to know, please write it in the comments here and then we will see. So all in all, it feels really good. It's very light and very cool, but we will see in the review if it's worth it. I mean, it's very expensive. You have to notice that. 1,400 euro I paid. Holy shit. Yeah. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If yes, give me a thumbs up and subscribe so make sure you don't miss the review of the VIVE Focus 3. Thank you for watching and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE